Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to make paneer at home. So let's get started. We need 2 ingredients, that is 2 liters of fresh milk and 6 lemons. Okay, now this paneer excess water I will use cotton cloth and use it. Now this is okay, now this paneer this white cloth so this is the excess water this is tight so press this water excess water press paneer the excess water drain cheyanayittu njan idile 1 glass of water vechu kodukana for 15 minutes. 15 minutes kayinittu njan ee paneer ne oru different container like shift cheyidinde. So if you touch, it's very soft. appo nammal idu cut cheyidokka. Our paneer is ready here. You can cut it into your own desired shapes. But I will show you. It's soft. So, we will try it. Comment section. So, that's all for today. See you in my next video. Thank you.